Today we are presenting the end of the year engineering show here in Anglia Ruskin University in Marconi building, where the Built Environment and Engineering sits, the School of Engineering and Built Environment sits. We are having 4 different courses during the end of the year show. It's a very diverse presentation. It is great to have students who are presenting in here, industries coming from different parts of the country to attend the session. The purpose of the end of year show for engineering is to bring students' work out. So students not only working with the supervisor, but actually working on an actual real world problem, and they bring it out and present it to industry people. Our curriculum is a project-based module, a project-based course. That means students working on a live brief every year after year, working with an industry partner. But today, they are actually presenting their work to the wider industry in their area.
It means the world to me. I love the fact that I get the opportunity to present my work that I'm really proud of. I've put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into it, if I'm being completely honest with you. And it's really nice to get the opportunity to really present it to people who are able to value my work in a deeper level. It means the world.
For future engineering students, I would say jump in full both feet. Make sure you use all of the facilities, all of the lecturers, because they're so smart. Use them to your advantage. Make sure you get as much out of them as possible, and just enjoy it. You're only here for three years or so. Make the most of it, because it really is the making of you.
Our students, when they come to the graduation, the next stage is to enter into the industry, and it is not starting now. This is actually the journey that they came through, and they're showcasing the journey they come through in the last 3-4 years. So today they're going to put out their work and see how far they come, starting from the beginning until now, and to demonstrate that they are ready for employment and demonstrate how effective our project-based learning and employment-focused learning our curriculum is.